아들이야. 아주 아다나 샵에 라면에 주르기 트레네 마다 다나 샵에 만드는 샵 디고리아 디시슈아이 나머지 이제 다다 뭉엔 디스 되는 가면 디스 되는 인티지런 시장 가면.
And so now I will continue with the teachings on Guru Yoga that we started this morning. First, I will read a little bit of the text.
아들이야. 네 것서 고법니 지리상아도 지티와 그 조름기 당와 강한 거면 라면 치려면도 체그 질러면 슈바도 남샤마 유려미게 도질러면 생이다 대마실라 로마 탐지다 대마시 무근이 후르조나 탑시에미게 초디몽으로 토버송 라면 무기 메신지 이담 규리시 인이로 체도죄 초강으로 자완의 미토 태몽으로라 치르노로 원대서 마보실라 레디오 차그 대다장가를 민주 조선 루발라에 같이 좀 루게베 람 미사바이 무기 친지발로바시 유레게나 람지 기세 방대 초티몽담지 셀라 떠바베가 주베 람 사면내줄 람 사마라면내줄 셰베 균센테 임바도.
There are some points to be understood here. Whatever instruction you meditate on, be it of the secret mantra Vajrayana in general or the completion phase in particular, you must make the Guru's blessings the path. The authentic path will not arise in your being until you have received the blessings. It is said that if students with Samaya have heartfelt donation for an authentic Vajra master, they will achieve the supreme and ordinary siddhis even without any other methods. Once you lack your devotion for your Guru, though, you might finish all the approaches and accomplishments of the yadams of the 4 classes of tantras, but you will never attain supreme siddhi. You will also have to lower your expectations for many of the ordinary siddhis, such as long life, attracting wealth, and charisma. Some of them you will not accomplish, and others you might accomplish to some degree, but only with great difficulty, so that path is not profound. But if unmistaken devotion does arise in your being, it will dispel obstacles to the path, enhance your practice, and accomplish all supreme and ordinary siddhis without depending upon anything else. This is the reason why this practice is called the profound path of Guru Yoga.
융하게 제바 마domba 랑데 제바남 교회체 방구 캐버도 zelung 차게 나다 레소 조름 사면에는 교회배 최도 세진 엄디 셀라메베 당와 예바게 셀 상하기 다주 사무 첨도 게르 제번 종요도 제 나와 토하게 제 군조숨기 제다 놀라 신도 세 요규다 추주체 규범메베 왕다 명아체 창的니족이 대화라가 람친지 말로 되미시베 최다 미디마라수 식되베 로벤이 뒤기 실업이인베 나복군도 빵 로마라 대바메바 탐지 미송바 산로당 어디쳐 로나망와서라 림기 로쮸스로나마도 통원인데 대사버 미자 라메시니 누유군이 가실송자 대바다 탐지 마냠바 니주 팁시 라렌셰바 최게라 하장 미셴바 셴라 시규체리 중생 냠소랑바시다 로마라 대바덴시 탐지 송류바 디비아 총보다 민조바시 마타야 그랬어.
For both master and disciple, lacking compassion, being quick to anger, being hateful, holding grudges, and being inflated with pride or strongly attached to wealth and family, lacking in verbal and physical self-control, and praising themselves are great faults that must be given up. In particular, there are masters who teach and explain the practices of the channels, winds, mudras, mantras, the collections of activity, or the essential points of the profound perfection stage to crowds of ordinary people. They claim to possess oral instructions others lack, and then review the profound view and conduct of secret mantra to the public. Their conduct is polluted. They prattle on about high views. They crave the wealth and belongings of the three jewels intensely. They are deceitful and totally immoral, giving empowerments and instructions without a lineage and reveling in the pleasures of alcohol and sex. Not knowing how to teach the unmistaken path, they fabricate teachings that contradict the Dharma. Such masters have been blessed by demons, so you must avoid them at all costs. A master should not make a profound connection in the beginning with students who lack faith. Do not keep samaya, flatter new acquaintances, have too many ideas, and so forth, unless it seems possible to gradually improve their minds. The characteristics of a guru are explained at length in the sutras and tantras. At the very least, their faith in samaya should be unimpaired. They should have completed the approach and accomplishment practices and know the rituals. They should not cling strongly to the 8 worldly concerns, and they should have practiced to some degree the Dharma they explain to others. At the very least, students should have stable faith, be able to maintain samaya, and not associate with negative companions.
Okay. Telo kame dakje so chamirun de ciji jizam teba la lamar minzine ciji jizam teba la kade lamar minzine chi gyawa gyala ni mesha jenu gyawa gyu xie sung.
The examination of the characteristics of master and student should precede empowerments or Dharma teachings. Once a connection has been made through an empowerment or Dharma teaching, even if the Guru has committed all 4 defeats, they are solely worthy of devotion. It is wrong to lose faith, criticize, scrutinize them, and so forth. As it is said, if you hear but a single verse yet don't consider him a Guru, reborn a dog 100 times, you'll then be born untouchable.
Narang sest. Lama yang kyun gumba yunden kunzo ni tuwange mini kesi re sam nye sikya rana mada na yunden la kyun to tuwande chomden de la lejingi kyun to tuwa zo shinji juwa da da tingsang ki gyo peji lenge sabi kenyam bashi yinbi kyun yinga yunden to tuwa yunden ji kyun to tuwa che da tunbi yunden ngogo tuba na ji megya jibu tambar tuwa zo yebe daji shishin shekyan ka kebar chake shimbe lam tenpa la 고프로즈무 강에 차차를 대비배시 라마 떠버된버시 메나 로메규로 떠버터도 깨민 대나 냐메 타부 제 dwing인 상세바 제거상 보소를 유비롱 톱친지 대남 대바 수제라 사벨라마르 수는 소왔다면 지름 주바 세기 세다 라바르 냐메 타부 야외 차게 첨부 빼와라 롱기 땜바 임베 차센라 메바 제세 제가 못 발라 로데 차와 내 첸도 대야 랑게 자야 라마 대다 예메도 공그 얍세더비 주니 칠럭기 규바톰니 대라 자야 라마르 소나 대코네 저기 따제게 무그 그 유시엔라를 되게 무그의 대가 전제 담지 롱징기 계전 또버 된기 이시 지기 지라 표현에 신규 제수 놈니바 사다인비 치르로.
In these times, you will not find a guru who has abandoned all faults and perfected all qualities. Were it even possible to find 1 or 2, with our impure perception we would see their good qualities as faults, as has happened many times, such as when Devadatta saw faults in the Bhagavan Buddha. These days, most people are only predisposed to accumulate negative karma, so they see faults as qualities and qualities as faults. Or they see those who inwardly lack even a single one of the dharmic qualities that they exhibit outwardly as being holy. Thus it is hard to even know how to examine anyone. especially in teaching the path of Mahamudra. Just as the designs on a mold are reproduced on the clay, the disciple cannot develop ultimate realization in their being without a guru who has realization. Therefore, once you receive a transmission passed down from Peerless Gampopa, Dusum Khenpa, Shang Tsalpa, Gutsampa, and so forth, if you take the one from whom you have the greatest faith as your root guru and supplicate them, they have promised you will receive their blessings. In particular, the Buddha prophesied that the Peerless Gampopa would propagate the teachings of Mahamudra, so all those who have longing for Mahamudra should place their trust in Lord Gampopa. This is a crucial point. You should also meditate on your root guru as inseparable from him. Once you have received the lineage of blessings from someone such as the Karmapa or his Hartsons, considering him your root guru is sufficient on its own. Further examination is unnecessary. It is not necessary to place your hopes on any other oral lineage. All those who have preceded the guru were great beings who have been prophesied and who passed down realization, the ultimate wisdom, from one to the next. So he is definitely able to bless others' mind streams.
Oya, ta dana shobe shubenen shire. Ta deleya tamu delenge seshe ji shugudu, seshe da gar shugudu sanam. Dadi ngonru mushi shagi la nangi la manager teda. Tene tada de ngaranzu kasa tuishi la manager. Oda deleya kebaji shegudu, di kebaji ma shena di kiranzu ngomboji ngochu ruye sare, ngobyo ruye sare. Jeza di kebaji shuyi.
Now, as I mentioned this morning, there is something that I do need to explain. And what I need to explain is that there is a difference between the Guru Yoga that we practice when we do the 400,000 preliminaries and the 4-session Guru Yoga. And I think if I don't explain this confusion, then a lot of you will get confused.
다들 지단기 라멘에 좀 임바 찍버래. 이렇게 봐요, 말해. 이내야 지 얘 가장 혼도 쉬는 시 다나 쇼베 쉬는 신기 감산 더비저 차선 베이미나 라멘에 좀 망보여. 기도 망보여. 이내야 다지 라멘에 좀 대삼세가 나온 게베 자치슈 세난 장도 주로도 가르치고 알았으나 뒤실라면은 주 대지로
Of course, they're the same in being Guru Yoga. But as I mentioned this morning, within our Karma Kamsan tradition, there are many different Guru Yogas, some long and some short. But among all of the Guru Yoga practices, the most fundamental or the primary one is the 4-session Guru Yoga.
Sani tunshi lamene jo chigebe kablia kiranzur shuyi tada misi shugas kemindo tene industane tari ta tunda dodo de karresana tari di kollo dombe wan tobe jelia lamene jordi nyamne chadi inji minji je tunshi lamene jor nyamne chego yes je kiranzur shi omare tada kondu shibana singi lamene jordelaya 지 가수에 이나야 지 까막감사의 제수 주버지미나 퇴실라면은 좀 냠내 차나 야부여스 다디 경안소로 어드스는 장도 왜 저런 저지 니왜 말했지 니 제왜 말했지 경안소리야 참조를 치요 마도베 타지 튠실라면은 주냠슬레고 레스고 말에 당이 다나쇼베 쉬버는 신기 아들이 왕숑게 나로라야 그 유지고 말에도 주균자면은 배열에 수수수기 로기 안다 라면내죠 안다 디기디 냠레치아나 디 먼저 버지게요 말에
I will speak about the reasons why the four-session Guru Yoga is superior when I give the instructions on it in the coming days. So I will not speak about that much now. The main point is that now that you've had the empowerment of Chakrasamvara, there are many people who might think or who say that, oh, you absolutely have to practice the four-session Guru Yoga. What I've actually mean, though, is that within the Karma Kamsang, the four-session Guru Yoga is very good. It's like I'm introducing it to you as a practice that deserves to be done, as one that is worthy of being done. But that doesn't mean that you absolutely have to do just that practice. As I mentioned this morning, there are many people here they're not just Kajus here, there are people from other lineages who, if they practice the Guru Yogas from your own lineage, there is nothing wrong with that.
이나야 간달라면은 저 기듀 컨트리네 자 투밀 튠실라면은 저 이나자 투밀 튠실라면은 저 마인베기 라면은 저 이나자 간달 직 냠레 소고다 라면에 주지 냠레 소고다 뒤 개심으로스 가르사나 왕 가자 쉬는 시간 왕 토바 좀 미변바 뒤지 구시 사변 섬으로 귤에 샤샤바디 안다고 베네 사변지 떡사회 제려야 델이야 안다고 야고 다고 잡니 뒤 깨신 거고 마다 더 사변답서 요샤나 사변 루루로 봐. 되는 신체네. 안 다가는 냠린 소레스. 안데 냠린 소야나 다 라면내 주지 이담기 지단기. 이담기 윤결망부 요아레디 텔레 라면내 주르디 엔다지 가수레 뉴체바스는 다도 디나로라 용조 냠린 용조 산데베 소치. 도시 인비 인두산에 라면내 주 냠린 전에 야거레스. 이나 기듀 가르쳐야만 수수 다 지야래. 튠실라면은 저 냠루스 레만에 수수 다 지야래. 이나 간다래 라면은 저 냠레 저고래 사디 경과도 계속 시라래서 좀.
But whatever Guru Yoga practice you do, no matter how long or short it is, whether it's the four-session Guru or not, you need to make one Guru Yoga practice into your practice. It is important that you do this. And the reason is, as I said, merely taking the empowerment is not enough. That doesn't help. The seeds of the four kayas have been planted within your being, and now that they've been planted within your being, you have to cultivate them. You have to let them grow. You have to take care of them. If you don't, and you just instead throw them aside or cast them away, then then they will rot. And so you have to make some Guru Yoga into your practice. Of course, there are many different Guru Yogas. There are many different Yidam deity practices, but Guru Yoga practices contain all of the deities. They are more encompassing than other practices, and so for that reason, it is best to do the practice of a Guru Yoga. Whether it's a long Guru Yoga or a short Guru Yoga is up to you. Whether you practice the four-session Guru Yoga or not is up to you, but you do need to make a Guru Yoga into your practice.
다데레 다데기 세셰르지 디 세셰 이미기자데 세로 친예메 하고민도 트레인주산에 이나다 세로 친예베라 와요.
So that is the explanation, the clarification. Whether it actually clarified anything, I don't know, but the hope is that it has.
다데이젤이야. 다디 다 급스 바바데 아주 가셔야 돼요 그랬잖아. 데다디 데네 녀든 주민 나는 송대학 당 아주 가셔야 녀든 주민 말은 저대 감상이다 지금 원주 당배급이야. 원주 난기 라면에 주티 티치요래.
But now on this occasion, what we are discussing is the Guru Yoga that is taught in the Torch of True Meaning. This is the Guru Yoga that we practice when we do the foundation or the preliminary practices in the Karma Kamsang.
That dig miti, that was Jelia, Migbachev of the Kadis Chowers, Lavimina. And the Rangi Jew am doing in Nampalas. That's the Duzane. 랑 지우 태기 누기 남팔라스 어디 지우 암 되게 남파서 담아지는 송 다이네 하는 유 차셰리아 지우 태기 누기 남팔라스 샤 셰추 초대바 셰르니를 초대바 전대지 공부 지우 태기 누기 남팔라스 생기 계획이 되고 무시 치 나도 지 송들 생기 계획 라 생기티 아니 초실에 니리니리 제일 사나 생기 얘기 되고 근데지기 티지여제 안디가냐 아니 그래서 지가루에 그 그신 근데 다제 그야드니 여비제 이딘 배만은 나와야 되나 전에 라마 도지창 자외 라마티니 도지창기 나밤 철루제 근데지 계고 그래서
Now, for the instructions on the visualization, well, what do you visualize? Well, first of all, it says here, above your head or in the sky in front of you. So what this actually means is that in the sky directly in front of your head. It's phrased here as if you're given a choice, but the practice is that, the normal practice is that you visualize the Guru in front of yourselves, in the sky in front of yourselves, facing you. And there is a jeweled throne supported by 8 snow lions. So 8 snow lions means that there are 2 snow lions on each side for a total of 8 lions. And it is covered with fine divine fabrics. So this is brocades and silks, divine silks and brocades. On top of that is a lotus and a moon, and on top of that is your Guru in the form of Vajradhara, in your essence, your root Guru in the form of Vajradhara.
전다도도디 폐기제의 인규체나 자야라 말레스 이나야디 수업다디 남윤기 알아준 제대야 자야라 말다 명체 디 수업다디 수수기베 르기 디 주와 당체 에 수업다디 간지 쇠샤르선 도지 상게 남바지 쇠샤데 남바지 다가다 상게가 남바 미 남바마이 상게가 남바 디지 공부해서
What it usually says in the instructions is that the essence, it's Vajradhara, but the essence, and that means what he really is, to say it colloquial, what he really is your root Lama. He really is your root Lama, but in shape, that is, he's not the shape of the root Guru whom you normally see. Instead, he changes shape. He changes his shape and he appears in the form of Vajradhara or in the form of the Buddha, not in the form of a human.
Kamdilia Lama Sang di Dindi Sangi number Gongwa Lama Sangi Sube Dusheva Lama Sangi in the Chensia and Namjungi Lame Nam Kui Nabata Mindrawa. 상계 남발로 공부해야지. 라마 상계 임비. 라마 상계 임은 두셔봐. 라마 상계 임은 태학처. 라마 상계 수공부.
Now, the reason why here we visualize our guru in the form of a Buddha is to show that we need to think of our guru as being a Buddha, to remember that our guru is a Buddha. So we don't visualize our gurus in the ordinary form, but we visualize the gurus in the form of a Buddha. And this is so that we conceive of our guru as being a Buddha, so that we remember that our guru is a Buddha.
다와나 상계의 세계에 건드리지 않았어. 라마 상계 임바 공부를 쓰기도 다 마신의 상계의 세계에 건드리지 않았어. 기지 저거 봐. 그래서나 상계의 세계에 내가 건드리 하마오나 아니 라마 상계에서 몸신 말.
But then the question is, well, what's a Buddha? We have to visualize our guru as a Buddha, but what's a Buddha? If we don't know what a Buddha is to begin with, then how can we visualize our guru as one?
다 상계에서 미망부지기 삼련날로 상계랍도 일단 랍상 아주 셈을 가르샤리 모르잖아. 남경아서 상계 군들 배나 잡로들이야 덴베 군이 나녀여야 돼 봐. 언디는 시정 아주기 삼련남들이 샤 상계에서도 느리지 오래 삼사로지 아주 삼련나 샤려.
So when we say Buddha, what most people think, they think of Buddha, it looks like the statues or the depictions, like a statue or an image of the Buddha, such as the one behind the throne. And so when we say a Buddha, people think, that's what a Buddha is like.
아주 다다 점빌리니야 상기 군의 인슈 베나지 뒤럽 당번이바 진대급이야 수샤베 상기 군들인데 제하여래. 이나야 상계 준비된데 가지고 전발했잖아. 진류응원기 다 뒤럽 나봤을 텐데 충분했어.
The oldest statues of the Buddha that we can find in this world are from the 1st or 2nd centuries of the Common Era. But the time when the Buddha was actually present in the world was actually during the 5th century before the Common Era.
다당 아란스기 제야여대비 군르니슈 게다 상계 은혜 취하고 두즈버룰이야 롱압제 투기기 해봐 세네다도 개발 롱압제 투기기 받아요 그랬어.
And so the gap between the oldest statue that we have and the time when the Buddha was actually in the world, there's actually a gap of 560 years, or an intervening period, a gap of 500 or 600 years.
제당 운해전의 상계의 컨트지 유명한데 다 야자 자탐바 지시해야 돼. 가라고 싶지 않아.
So actually, it's really difficult to say for 100% certainty what the Buddha was really like.
이나야 imagination 센터도 인지게래야. 나저기 최바 체위입니다. 간드지에서나 상계 변화 급지두산에 상계에서디 도시대는 와데 아랍다도 유에데스 도시대 들이야 상계 그래서 다당 알아서 가져에 계시 아주 급지두 유에나 아주 대좀 되면 밑에 상황 급지두 유에나 급지두 도시대는 유에나 아니 퍼지 상계 원시에 갈라가버려.
But we can sort of use our imagine and try to guess what it was like. For example, the Buddha was here in Bodh Gaya. And if we all were in Bodh Gaya at the time that the Buddha was here as well, it actually would be difficult for us to recognize the Buddha.
이 가르에서나 중시야 중디 장주 망부치 경유기래요 상기 추나라 잔엔점리아 가와제네 로투 가와제네 다 신동지 군자리아 가와제네 슈르와 가와제네 슈르산에 구수드 상만로 신능시 차 까부 슈차 고배난 가서 깜부 쉬우 차지 아니 왜 행동은 시 차는 대두산에 점시 보모 다 리기에서 말하다 리기에 쇼핑 기지 여러 쇼 레서 가시 쇼 말아 우투리서 킬 퓨버리서 와래 간다 가르 퓨에네 메네 다디 저바 잡더니 초스금 노아 쇼핑한 데도 다 가다 킬 퓨에나 데도 다디 저바 잡는 시라 초스금 가다 가르 퓨에네 메네 대두산에 배세난 가르 지여스 싱글하라 쇼 퓨이스 가르에서나 상계의 행동지 군들라 행동지 종래 예배체 아니 로망부시 대쇼 아니 수부대 신기 소리 차서 제가 고주 삼면은 네 싱글라이레 섬사로 지 테임 싱글라 다 싱글 내딩이 라도 지다 장송도 지 내 섬을 좀하다 미래 섬사로 시라요 섬을 미래 섬사로 시라지 배 수부대 껴보시지 과 가르쳐드는 인자 다 뒤균전되네 아 급지주산에 점수 보면 리게메 오토뷰들이 제백걸이야 뭐랑 그 통나로 내쇼
There's actually a story about this, a story that many of you probably know. When the Buddha spent 6 years practicing austerities on the banks of the Niranjana River, he sat at the base of a tree, and as he sat there, actually his body also started to become like a tree. He became so emaciated from not eating food that he became so thin and emaciated that he started to look more like a tree. It's like he withered and was looking like a tree. So there was a Brahmin girl who came, a Brahmin girl named Lekyema, and she offered the Buddha, some people say it was curd, some people would say it was kheer, said it was cooked kheer. There's no need to really argue about what it really was, whether it was yogurt, whether it was kheer, doesn't really matter. But at that point, what it says in the text is that she thought she was making an offering to a tree spirit. And the reason for this is that the Buddha was sitting at the base of a tree. He spent many years sitting at the base of the tree, and his body even began to look like the tree. And so everyone assumed, oh, he's a tree spirit. Or they thought he was a sage or a tree spirit. They didn't think that he was human because he was so emaciated. And so when this Brahmin girl, Lekyema, offered him, that's what she saw him as.
And 상계 두산에 토랑 엄버저 상계라로 토랑 다 주주 숨버시거든 맨로 토랑 엄버저 상계를 지주산 도시되는데 미망고요 말해 퍼지미 유기 말해 행동지 정준주신사 딱 가는 행동지로 봐 행동지의 정도 다 받이는 니지 배념버샤 잠팅딩 아상계소 마다 다 상계를 아주 상마 저리체니 상계도 라바담 땡이지 요마 와 다 상계 손시 라바답 쇼바답 땡이지 요마 잠팅딩 알 나간다 지 내단데 하장기 가수에 균딩기 내단스는 단도 다지 배 미세메바 지 르르지가 안에 잠팅딩을 지금 알아래 상계소로 유지도 쉬어봐
Then when the Buddha awoke to enlightenment, he awoke at dawn. It was 3 or 4 a.m. probably. And at that point, he was probably alone. There probably wasn't anyone else there. He was sitting at the base of the tree. Now we call it the Bodhi tree. But there's one person sitting there. It was probably very quiet, very serene. It's not like there was a group of people waiting for the Buddha to awaken, and when he awoke to Buddhahood, that they all clapped their hands and applauded. It wasn't like that. There was no group of people who were clapping and applauding for when the Buddha awoke. Instead, he was sitting in the quiet, in peaceful, relaxing in this serene and peaceful atmosphere.
제가 신동산 밑에 장알 칸데 와래. 제당 아주를 지다다 상계 와 도시된 다다 예외 갑지도 상아주 예외 왕의 다나 파지 상계 이번 것이 안갈 하버래.
So in India, there are a lot of people who sit by the bases of trees, and so it would have been difficult, if we had been there at that time, it would have been difficult for us to recognize that he was a Buddha.
제단 참정아주 다다 아주 상계시에서 배 상계사도 배 섬김이 겨버 시에시립사네 딱 간삼 선주사 상계의 흐중도서로 찬 다지 섬김이 겨버 레스 파트 시부지 시에샤라마도 오늘 전에기 소수기 상계리아 오늘 전에가 다지 소환으로지 섬김이 겨버지 깨자로 시다 쉬어지 나서 저 소환해야 돼 알아하고 와
So when we talk about the Buddhas, we always talk about the Buddha as being some sort of incredible, inconceivable being, and it begins to sound more like a myth. So that actually we don't really have this experience or this feeling of what the Buddha was like. We spend so much time thinking about the Buddha as being inconceivable that it's difficult to get any feeling for him.
Today we can Dileya Lama Sange Skomsuadi Lama Tsini the Debachina, Sange Dara, Tatella Sange Dara resta. Paji Sange Sati, Azu Sabanasi, Debe, Jigi, Be, Lodung Soroji, Tendiji, Yakala Karsurati, Lodung Sor, the Sheshadi, Tendiji Yuanamena Hakwayama. 다나시 ngaran sugi kebalaya sangi unsu jebe inaya 드든드든도 마도 지기 라마 천된지 제야 교회신이 천된지 마도 다 될라버지 제야지 깔아 합시다로 제자 교회신이 천된 코라 라마로 차디거래 제자 디 준zel 되네 단 도나지 상계다 라마 사디 엔데버르티 그 투시 상계 생이 쉬우지 이게 여기 라마 사디 파지요 된점이지 라마다 상계 버루를 엔데버르 투시 간다 된지 그 토안에 즉 아주 상계라 타 진인 줄 알지다. 다는 신기 신이들 내 라마텔라 타 진인 줄 알지. 진짜기 그바 그치 토안에 라마 상계 수검사디 되지입니다.
So for this reason, when we say that we need to visual or that we need to meditate upon our guru as being a Buddha, if the guru is an authentic, qualified guru, then in actuality he is a Buddha. The Buddha, if we think of the Buddha as someone like as being taught in a myth, someone we would never know whether or not there are Buddhas or not. We don't have the fortune at that time. We wouldn't have the fortune to see such a Buddha. But if there is a qualified guru, a qualified spiritual master, then there's no difference between that. A qualified spiritual master actually becomes our guru. And so when we think of the qualified spiritual master in that way, actually then there's a relationship between the guru and the Buddha. There's a connection between the guru and the Buddha. It's not as if the guru is over on one side and the Buddha is over on the other side. There's a connection in between the two of them. And so when we think in this way, then we begin to feel closer to the Buddha. We begin to feel closer to the qualified guru. And so this, I think, is the reason why we need to meditate upon the guru as being a Buddha.
다네 라마 상기 가르에 도시 상에 남아서 들으시오. 다 디기 가르에 타고르도 띵도 저기 규벨라마 디서 도지 상에 손데 마 규벨라마 디서 아니 토지기 추도 저기 강을 저기 해봐 저기 되네시제 토지도 쇼베 매바체
And so you visualize your guru in the form of Vajradhara, and then above him you visualize all of the lineage gurus. You visualize them in a column, one above the other.
다디 타고도 지공당 죽바당 악롱라 소베기 에너지 거유 지 라마 현당 다는 신 조진 유배 라마 추주 유배 라마 람지 유배 라마 시제 유배 라마 로종 유배 라마 가담 유배 라마 다디 상물로 딘치보다를 쇼여바다 내지 고마르샤.
And surrounding them, you imagine that there are all of the Kagyu gurus of other Kagyu lineages, of the Drikung, Drukpa, Tsalpa, Talkung, and so forth. You also visualize that there are all of the gurus of the Dzogchen lineage, of the lineages of 6 yogas, of the path and its result, of pacification, chun, mind training, and so forth. You imagine that they all gather like clouds. And you also need to imagine that they are surrounded by all the gatherings of Yidams, Buddhas, Bodhisattvas, Heroes, Dakinis, Dharma protectors, and guardians.
Lama kundu, idam kundu, chogyong kundu, da daraji sabe meba chayaro ji dinaji imata. Te meba chayana pachi dhigi yabre.
Now, if you're unable to visualize that many figures, then what should you do? Well, then you should think that your guru, Vajradhara, that he is the one figure in whom all of these beings are complete. Vajradhara is the embodiment of all the gurus. He's the embodiment of all the yidams. He's the embodiment of all the dharma protectors. And thinking of him in this way, I think, is fine. Still got a half hour to speak, but we're all falling asleep.
Time to sleep. You have plenty of time to sleep. Digablia Lama di Punjo Kudus, Meva Chadi, Keshu Shuchi Chadi useless.
Here it's very important to think that the Lama is the embodiment of all the jewels.
태양 최지 주거군이베 송지와래 딩에 된다디 시에나 삼차에서
There's a saying of Drukpa Kunle's that I thought I would explain the meaning.
공개 가르침으로서나 딩상 미카시지기 rimngege longchan rimnga sade sawan dubege rimba sa jorba zurim rimngege longchan 가르시게 dostana cheba tamje yongbane lama cheba sambar cha sungyores lam di longchan ene 가서다 건중문 집 체대 dos.
And what Drupal Kunlek said, quoting the the 5 stages of the Guhya Samaja, he said, where it says that give up all offerings and offer only to the Guru, he says that many people then misunderstand this and act in all sorts of different ways.
Cheba tamje yongbana lama cheba sambar chasade tsigdi pa tigul chena 가르소래 폐기야 돌바 기시나 cheba 신다 참 하신다 cheba 참 cheba 피야다 파 유쇼스 lama 지불라 cheba 피스 lama 지불라 cheba 피나 cheba 신다 피고 말했어 하신다 cheba 피고 말했어 자 tsigdi 다베 tigul 태가르바지 폐기야 돌 주르샤나 드르르지요.
So if we translate if we talk about the meaning of this colloquial, this saying, it sounds like it's saying that you don't need to make any offerings to any other yidams or any other deities. You give up making offerings to them and only make offerings to the Guru. You don't need to make other offerings to other gurus. This is what it sounds like if we look at the words directly.
다 미카시지기 디고와 만회미체 전당 원내에 하마워체 공방 원내에 하마워체 다 가르쳐 디도스나 이담 세두스나 콜로도마라고다 게바도제라고다 마하마얀라고 된데기 라 차망부 유에된게 차세망부 유에된게 운동원부 인된게 셰망부 유에된게 에너지 가라야 돼 두주제 유에된게 샤이칸 유에된게 다 되죠 이담레 삼 되죠 봐요 안 되죠 저거 피하려면 딜라마레면 디 이담레도스 되죠 봐요 다 되네 lemba shake tuba sangye shibisana lemba shake tuba kudo sebore denge ulu zudo yue denge da desu sangye de slamne desu bhayu desu le chaba mivu
So sometimes people who don't understand the actual meaning of this, when they hear these words, what they think is, oh, a Yidam deity, that's something like Chakrasamvada or Hevajra or Mahamaya, some deity with many hands, with many different implements and different numbers of legs and different numbers of faces, surrounded by the 8 charnel grounds or the palaces. That's what a Yidam deity is. So we're not going to make any offerings to them. They're not the Guru. It's not the Guru, not my Lama. I'm not going to make offerings to them. Then they think of our teacher, Shakyamuni. When they think of Shakyamuni, they think of someone who's gold in color, who has the Usrishna on the top of his head. Well, they think, this is the Buddha. But he's not my Guru, so forget about him. And they don't make offerings to him either.
다들 전주스마서 수레는 전주스마디 자와참마다 제레스이다 자매야 대주 전주스마레스 제가 니조 라마레미스 양 니조 전주스마레스 제가 양 니조 파 니조를 잡아피고 말 라마를 잡아피고 말 니조 잡아피고 말 니조 봐요.
And they think, well, who are the bodhisattvas? Oh, the bodhisattvas are like Maitreya, Avalokiteshvara, Manjushri, and so forth. They're bodhisattvas. They're not gurus. They're bodhisattvas, not the gurus. So forget about them. I'm not going to make them offerings. So they forget about them and only offer to the gurus.
다 대주 상마파 유자라 상계나 전주 선바다 이담다베 상마파 유자리 다 가르나도 열었잖아. 다 라마를 제발 피시데 간에 피우도잖아. 야나 라마 세리리 지디지 라마 잡아 있나 라마 세보 리디 도도는 거지 구샤 야와는 줘야 되지 근데 지금 지조리에 삼공대도 아나 참담 라마가 봐 있는 레번들이 막 기대게 아니 베저 라스니 라 창망 보통으로 봐 나바도 창망 보통네 베 럽스시엔 럽스 지시에 룽바라 베 미숑야 룽바 때라 그 럽스 시에 디게 마숑니 근데 쇼딩이 지주라 곰나 라마 곰바인 대야 라마 곰나 때는 남도다 데니 라마군에 공고만다 남도망 모든 냠도 데니 라마 곰바인 제제들 곰데도스 다 쳐봐 가르비디도스나 셈젠데 바세 진대게 샤라로 쳐봐피 아니 창생이지 미창물로 배 뇨중기 뇨주야 진대게 제지 구룡한제 어나디도 쳐봐피 됐도스
And so when they've forgotten about everyone else, well then who else is left for them? Who's the guru who's left for them to make offerings to? Well, if the guru is a monk, they think of the monk as being like some lump, some fat monk who's like a little lump wearing robes sitting there. And they imagine that little lump of a lama sitting above the crown of their head. Or maybe their guru is a tantric practitioner, a nakpa, a tantric practitioner who's got dreadlocks down to here, maybe this is a really drunk practitioner. You can see, like, tantric practitioners always drink a lot of beer, right? So this is someone who's just so wild and outrageous in his conduct and always so drunk that he can't really fit in the valley. And so they imagine that this is like what the guru should be, and they imagine that the gurus should be like this. But when they think of the guru in this way, then this is really just actually mixing up the gurus with their own thoughts. It's like their ideas of a guru. And so when they then make an offerings to the gurus, well, what sort of offerings do they make? Well, they kill animals, then they offer the flesh and the blood, they offer beer, they offer something that will just, a substance that is able to intoxicate many people. And these are what they make as their offerings.
Nadi Chaba Tamji Yomba, the Lama Chaba Tambarja Sadi, Tendawan, the Mares, Rubukuni Korang Gombina. Korang Gombina, Pena, Kolo Dombe, Cheba Chebekara, Lama Korang Kolo Domba, O Yermachibakomia, Gabadozi, Cheba Chebekalia, Lama da Gabadozi, Yermachibakomia, the digital Kogotos.
But if we make offerings in this way, this is missing the point. This is misunderstanding the meaning of the quotation. Give up offerings to all the deities, make offerings to the Guru. What Drupa Kunle's understanding of this is that when you make an offering to any of the Yidam deities, for example, if you are making an offering to Chakrasamvara, then you think of the Guru as being inseparable from Chakrasamvara, and you make the offering to the Guru inseparable from Chakrasamvara. When you make an offering to Hevajra, then you make an offering to Hevajra inseparable from your Guru. That is how you should understand this.
Teleng Tatebegi, and Daji Chajusama Samiachi. The Digi Mojixen and Rando, Nabatateva, Moji Dusheveton. The Degapon Lama di Takandraji, Tadona, Lamen Sadi, Donaji, Kansa Gerji, Lama Gerbachi, Juzur Gomdeves or Maimba. Dadi. 상기에다 전주세마다 나 이름 긴고르게 하죠. 탐지 딱 안 다르지. 리리 도도로 찍어야지. 나디 지 가수에 탐지 안에 라메 몰람 두시에 토네. 아니 된저위기다. 최버의 신지 저로 공부야 드리브.
So we see that they're inseparable in essence. There is no, outside of the Guru, or separate from the Guru, there is no Buddha Shakyamuni, there is no Yidam deity, there are no bodhisattvas outside of or separate from the Guru. They are the same in essence. The form is different, but the essence is the same. And so thinking of them in this way, when we practice Guru Yoga, we are not meditating upon a particular individual being. We're not meditating on a particular individual guru. We are meditating upon all of the Buddhas, all the Bodhisattvas, all of the gatherings of all the Yidam deities, all wrapped up into one, in the form of the, and they're all the same in essence as the guru. And so this guru becomes, we then visualize as being worthy of veneration and offerings. We visualize them above the crown of our head.
That interview more show the tela, and Ning Taba Kazan Mimbi Mugu, Ning Tabane, Donshu Tabi, so at the Gores. And
when we are visualizing the Guru in this way, then we and they're present in that sort of a nature, then we need to pray to them from the depths of our heart, not just words, but fervently.
단들레지 아주 학금주산에 강모 덤지버게 20번 땜사도 개고에서 말해 간다라 담이 예매 수도 간다 땅 운숨도 배 뉴기 난가로 쇼에 삼바로 지에네 도스 매와 셰샤나 어제 저기 유서래 엔디인들은 연락 준비하게 속속체 다 디젤이야 선립 라디 라메 낸저로 되더디 라메 낸저 코로나로라 차신 군대 숨고 아래 차신 군대 기베 선립 차신 기베 선립 예두 가르치는 거를 개발체이나 알아서 되더디 코로나 배제나요 알아 뒤베체이나 선립 도시 정도만 도지 정도면 세션을 돌디마스 라고래 도지 찬지 때로 나로스 예자 직당부터 도지 찬지 때로 나로스 라비에서 되게 돌디마스 도르스 도지 찬스 디스 딜로스 돌디마스 오마디 세님벌 들에서도와 다 뒤니 거론되는 거래
Now, it's not necessary for us to visualize, as we do in Yidam practices, that there is the Samaya being and that the wisdom beings then dissolve into them. Instead, we visualize that the Samaya and wisdom beings are inseparable and they're present in front of us. I think if we imagine this, it is fine. Then we do the 7 branches to gather the accumulation of merit, and then we supplicate. In the Guru Yoga practice, there is the long Vajradhara lineage, there's the long Mahamudra lineage prayer. We can do actually either long or short supplications, either is fine. If we do a longer supplication, then we do what is in the text. If we do a short of a supplication, we can do a supplication such as the Vajradhara lineage prayer. The old name of the Vajradhara lineage prayer used to be called the Vajradhara Tilopa prayer because it starts great Vajradhara, Tilopa, Naro, and so forth. In any case, whichever prayer you do whichever supplication you do is fine.
다데네 라멘nen저 붐 장소 제베이나 장소 제아디 개방함이나 응원이나 만남식으로 장소 제아로 수여버다 다 드네 치수 드네 주좀 캠베가 송 다 가라야 돼 수행들 시간 주 라마를 못해 소안들 세 시간 주부디 장소샤 로스에 비메래 디니가 가르치네 가르 장소세네 되게 와래 다다디 온도 뒤바 당에 축지들 세샤와 디나로야 만남식으로 샤요래 마도 디다디 주좀 캠베 송 디샤요 제가 드니니 강하고 이제 장소세는 저거
Now, when we are counting recitations for the 100,000 Guru Yoga repetitions, then in the old days, originally, what they counted was the prayer, the 4 mothers prayer, my mothers, all beings throughout space, and so forth. In more recent times, people recite the 6th-line prayer by Dusum Khenpa, I supplicate the precious Guru, and so forth. And whichever of these you do is fine. In the short preliminary practice, which I compiled, I included in that one, I included the 4 mothers prayer. I didn't include the 6th-line prayer by Dusum Khenpa. In any case, you can recite, it's fine to recite either of these, recite and count either of these prayers.
아야. 다 수행들 해야 돼. 아주 들이야. 야, 들은 누가 균이기 순지야. 때디 시에는 마도 비싸 말해. 뒷마시에 공리야. 알아주는 게 라마 장배 누구 봐? 라바도 장경기 로르타에 수 라마 장배. 대 라마 장배도 하고 싶어래. 이내 라마 장배도 뉴뉴산에 대지 삼성 뭐 사용도 있어. 다 티라 민도면도 따네 야보 따나 마도 아니 티리 민도나 게 중앙지갑 알았잖아 다들 남산지 지난 측도 sama 소소로 고야로 저지 교랑 소소로 시에대야 소소로 수수견 시에대야 소시 다다 지 수수간 수수견가 내도 포버도 시에장 대규제된 수수 시에대야 소시에장 대기 질미에 주사는 계시라 잡으면스 그래서 민도다 단 미시라 민도는 깨잡 미시란도나 아니시라 게 좋은지겠죠
Now, when we supplicate, there's another Drupa Kun-like story about this. But before I tell that story, usually we like to recite the calling the Guru from afar prayer. And particularly, we like to recite the calling the Guru from afar written by Jamgon Kongtrul Lodro Tai. It's a wonderful prayer, but sometimes the way we recite this prayer is actually kind of strange. It's kind of actually pretty amazing how we recite it. First, when we start to recite it, we start to look and see, is there anyone around us? Is there anyone right near us? The reason for this is that the words of this prayer, it's like we're criticizing ourselves. It brings up all these points that really strike home, that are like criticisms of ourselves. So the first thing we do is we look to see, is there anyone near us? And if there's someone near us, then we don't sing it very loud.
제가 라마 잠베 마세는 마시 두기 장가로 접셔래 땅아베 랭이 가사르보다 안 다는 신기다 저 방부 쉬우지다 수술다 비지 가주에 메라로 스탄스 수술 지금 수술견 장가 신 메라로 스탄스 두기 장가 접셔래 나도 초진에 대야고도스 가주에 이 셈리야 수수기 꽤 병을 쓰니 하는 거라 되게 꽤도 통네 왜 생각도 야고도
So when we recite most of the calling from gurus from afar prayers, then most of the words for these prayers are actually like complaining about ourselves, or they're criticizing ourselves. They use terms like, they're like words like saying, "Oh, I who have bad karma," and so forth. They're really talking about criticizing ourselves. Maybe from one aspect this is good because from one aspect this is definitely good because it helps us recognize our own faults and realize that they are faults.
얘는 루버군이 가르쳤으면서나 진상 가시지기 ene lamal soan de ba yin cheje ral ya mera shudang dos sosulia mera jangang dang che semla unet lamal theba yena mena beji lame suen de yin se sana be susula kaze ji be 가수에 mera kaze dang thona tizu ji lame suen de yin sam tende dos
But what Drupa Kunlai said is that most people these days think that when we are reciting supplications for the Guru, then what we always end up doing is criticizing ourselves. Instead of really supplicating the Guru, instead what we do is we recite words that criticize ourselves.
가수야, 소설 메라경하다. 그저 가르쳐야 되잖아. 당아베 라마르 부지 당아 투지 응알 투지 시로나스. 나베 카카와 때네 짜싱민도스. 꾸 가와샤나 짜게민도스. 당아 투지 시로나스 디데 갱갱갱아 겸데데도스.
And so when we recite them, we're always saying, "Oh, poor me, Lama, look at me. I'm so unfortunate. Wherever I look, nothing works out. Wherever I breathe, the grass doesn't grow. So Lama, please help me. Please think of me. Poor me."
나디 야 라메 선데 양타베 이미 하고서 말했어. 라메 선데 비슷해 가르치나. 남과도 냐면 심지어 탐지 미워도 죽니 미베 워라야 남과도 냐면 심지어 탐지 미워도 죽니 내가 랑그 진진 자외 라마티 상계 탐지 용어 도 시베 관에 닝 타반네베 소왔다 대면도 없이 탐 닝 타반에 소왔다 소왔다니 무구 관계 무구 지게로 봐 어떤 무구 관계 봐 대기 냐 가르래 모장 대정신 저바다 차와 동분이기 차텔이야 냠바샤네 된데기 무유도 차게처럼 뭐 송도 제베 냠내시 제베이나 대라 최긴네 창 저기 내가 전부지를 삼청도 마도베 누구 장가게 돼야 돼 내가 전부지를 삼청도
So it's hard to, I don't really know whether that is a true prayer to the Guru or not. Really what we have to do is we have to take all sentient beings, or as limitless as space, we have to take them as within our focus. Then we have to think of our kind Guru as being the essence of all the Gurus and pray to the Guru from the heart. And as we pray to the Guru, the more devotion we are able to generate, we need to nurture the essence of that, see the empty nature, see that, and rest within equipoise within the nature of that. This is when we do this, we have the union of the devotion and Mahamudra. And so, if we are able to do this, then that really hits the key points of our Dharma practice. And if instead of that, if we're just wailing all the time, it really doesn't benefit us.
Oh yeah. 다 들으려 지미라 지기 아미스런데 추루디 지기 드네 샤체 다디 잘이야 와 가주에 왕꾸르에 소아답 되네 원실래야 돼 말에 다디 바지 남균 가주에 상알 서동 중요하스메 상아 탐지 야마디 레라바시부 용유빈자 디준젤 데네 동주레아데 계심버레스 더니 긴고르도 쇼는 와레아데 계심버레스 제자 디기 되는 세제 내려야 라메부 총네 원시 접버레아데 디기 원실레베 고쇼레스 디 긴고르도 쇼네 이담기 긴고르도 쇼는 원실레베 고쇼레스 가라산 탐지 냠자 중 근데 이제 니마 딱 와르시 제잖아. 안고 냠바 소르추. 탐지 냠바 소르추. 근데 용거로 봐. 나버도 빼나. 튠시 라면은 줄 사들 민의 튠시 딱 와야 돼. 견생 알아서 튠시를 냠는 시거. 제가 잘 튠니 지도 잘 튠니 제제. 튠시를 냠는 시거. 근데 이 주산에 뒤년가 돼. 어제들이 차대었다. 지 가르에 튠수에 만대 공리야 고라 지 탐진ኛ마 소르추 자 그러지 임라
So that is how we should supplicate. Then following that, there is the section of visualizing that you take the empowerments and you receive the 4 empowerments. And the reason for doing this is that it's very easy to violate or transgress the root downfalls, the secret mantra. This is why when we do Yidam deity practices, we do the self-entry, the self-introduction into the mandala, the self-empowerment. And so when we do this, if we take the 4 empowerments in Guru Yoga, then this also is sufficient, or this serves the same function. It is the same as when we do a Yidam deity practices and we imagine that we enter the mandala and receive the empowerment there. The reason we do these practices is because it's so easy to accumulate downfalls of samaya, and taking the empowerments, imagining this as a way to restore our broken samaya. In particular, with the 4-session Guru Yogas, the reason why it's called the 4-session Guru Yoga is that it's meant to be practiced during the 4 sessions, 2 in the morning and 2 in the afternoon. That's why it is called that. And the reason why this is so important is that we need to restore any broken samaya before the end of within the duration of a session.
That's all. Kama Shingaji Tandopasha Ine, that young Samolo Galeshu Kayusre, Chezang Etzida Tasha Niku and Sabat Sabatsi Galeshu Chesha Chezanga young Samolo Kamanga de Chansulia, never free.
There are 4 or 5 minutes left, but you all seem to be having a hard time. It's hot. You're all falling asleep. So I'm going to do a life release and give you an extra 4 or 5 minutes.